Hey y'all, I'm out here in the woods today. Well, out in the plains, I guess. It's really windy and it's really cold, like worst conditions possible. Also, my my ultralight broke, the reel's not working, so I have to use my catfishing rod, and I'm here to see, can I catch anything with these terrible conditions and this terrible rod, and can we prove that fishing is possible whenever? So you know what, let's get to it. It's so cold that I have to wear a hood and not a hat. That should tell you something. All right, let's get to it. Gotta look. It's so cold, I swear. Okay, people. All right, now we just gotta walk really far until we actually get down to the creek. I don't know why they made the creek so far from the trail parking, but you know, whatever. I just gotta get across, I guess. That's actually a very good amount of murkiness for fishing. I don't see any down right here though. This creek is mostly sight fishing. Like if they're not there, they're not gonna be there. You know, it's kind of nice to be out in the grasslands again. It's nice and calm. Got little streams and stuff. Nice and wilding. I'm just sight fishing for brook trout, fall fish, and rock bass. It's a good life, you know. It's a good time. I'm actually gonna try this pool really quickly because it's kind of murkier in there, but it's also really like deep over there, and it's a spillway. And it's in the sun, so why not see if there's like a fall fish in there or something, you know? Okay, we're just going to the bridge. It's too windy. There's a good windshield up here. Yo, we're on. I haven't filmed a video over here in a while, but it's a good pool. Good bridge. Okay. Hoping for some rock bass, but we'll take anything. Man, it's cold. Generally, you can see really well down there, but not today. But whatever. It's a small hook with a small bait and a bobber. We'll see the bite. There's different strikes. Let's see it. Do I get one on? No! I was gonna say those are definitely strikes. I saw them coming. They were definitely there. No. Just leave it right like where it was. That's a little bit closer, but maybe they'll go to it. I might have to send that back out in a minute. See, it's getting bites, see? Right? Like, look. And then as soon as I reel it in, it comes off. As soon as I reel it in, there's bites. And as soon as I do it, it comes off immediately. Look, 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 look. Right there, it's underneath. Oh, we got, see? And immediately off. And now it's not casting. Okay, come on, dude. There's fish out there. Oh my God, I got a knot in it. This is such bad luck day. How big of a knot is it? It's just not coming out. Oh my good Lord. Trying to catch a single fish on a heavy action rod out of necessity. It's like a out of necessity challenge. But I am getting bites at least, so I'll take it. This is the worst part of fishing. This is the worst overall fishing experience you could probably ever have. When you have the bites and you see the bobber getting taken down, and then every single time you start reeling in, the fish comes off immediately. Like, look at that. Look at that. How is that not just perfect, like, angry issue? If you want to get angry really fast, come try this type of fishing. Because every single bite, they'll take it, they'll run with it, and as soon as you try to hook set, they'll come off. Except for when I'm talking about it. We have a fish! Oh my God. That was a long time for a little shiner. That was a long time for a shiner. But I don't care, because it's a fish. It's official. Okay, get him back. Let's try to get another one. But we did catch a fish. Mission successful. Catch a fish on this windiest day ever. I'm gonna reshoot an intro. This is so windy and cold. Oh my Lord, my sweet Lord. Yeah, that came off immediately. It's so cold, guys. It's so cold. I have a big winter coat on, but the wind just blasts you so much. Oh, I'm just happy we caught a fish. I swear, if my target species, if I see a rock bass come up and then fall off because of the way I'm fishing, I'm gonna break something. I'm so upset right now with all these fish. That's a fish on. Ooh, another shiner. They're beautiful, aren't they? They look like suckers almost, but without the sucking mouth. Okay, get him back in the water. Now we're really warming up now. Now the fish are hungry. Let's get one of the big ones. I've caught some big ones out of here before. Let's just see him come back. Let's see him get back to it. We're gonna stay out here for like 10 more minutes. We're gonna get trench foot. Wet and muddy. All right, that's gonna be me today. Hope you all enjoyed it. You can catch fish in the worst of conditions.